So they had that long discussion at 3, and now Colt Knost for birdie.
Well, is his ball going to move? I mean, it's so exposed. It's only the water that's keeping. No, I think he's saying
ball's oscillating, is what he's saying.
Ball is oscillating. He's oscillating.
One or two or both.
I think that's it. That's it. He's saying, wow, no, he's saying get on with it.
Wow.
Looks fine to me.
Well, they won't stop it for oscillating, right? It's got
No,
exactly.
really. But and as I was saying, I guess it's the water right now. It's sticky, but he can't stand still. As I was saying before, when do you pull the trigger? Oh, look at this! Go on, blow, wind, blow!
No!
Yes!
Really?
Look at this.
And he didn't want to putt it.
It comes in backwards.
He had no desire to putt that ball, and he makes a birdie.
I quit. Call it now, please. So when was the last time your playing partner, i.e. Billy Horschel, reacts?
Celebrates for you.
Does a lap of honor round the green for you? Yeah.
I mean, remember, guys, this group, Colt Knost, Billy Horschel, started 4 shots off the lead, right in the thick of things.
I can do the.
Oh man, almost directly.
Look at Billy.
I'm not sure for watching a final round of a PGA Tour event or just a Sunday afternoon foursome out there playing.
The shootout.